Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Bliss. Now this particular category is a balcony. It's a standard balcony stateroom. We'll show you the entire space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Oceania, or Regent, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, as soon as you walk in the door here, you're gonna have your Do Not Disturb and your Makeup Room button. So you just have to press the button there. You can communicate with your cabin steward. Make sure you always have a key card in here because that's what's gonna turn on the electrical. You've got two hooks, so you can have a jacket storage right there, especially when you're in Alaska. Now let's check out the bathroom. Now it's a pretty good sized bathroom for a balcony category. You've got storage up and down here and down below. You're gonna have a little bit of storage here. You have your vanity, and then directly across, you're gonna find your shower. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I love that they have a shower door that bows out instead of a shower curtain. I actually do fit in here. You're gonna have your adjustable shower wand just behind, and then your nooks here for the amenities. Now they do have your body wash and shampoo and conditioner right here, trying to eliminate as many single-use plastics as they can. Now as we head into the room, you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here. You can get ready before you head out, and you also have your temperature control just here. Now, as soon as we get in, I wanted to show you the storage. So you've got your closet right here. On this side, you're gonna have storage up and down with the shelves. You've got your safe. It's perfect size for a passport or wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then on the other side here, I'm gonna open that up. You're gonna have more hanging storage all the way across. Now, right now, the beds are separated apart into the two twin configuration. They can be put together where you have one nice large bed as well. There's plenty of storage underneath. And then one of the nice little touches, in addition to having the nightstands there, I love that they're gonna have the USB chargers built in on either side to the lamp so that you can use those to charge as well. Now, as we continue further into the space, you've got your flat panel TV here. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, it does pull out, and you can angle it towards the couch or towards the bed for viewing. Now, over here, you're gonna have a nice large couch. Now, some rooms, this can pull out, and you can have two beds there, so you can have a maximum occupancy of 4. Some are 3. Of course, you can see that on HarTravel.com on the interactive deck plans. Now, directly across, you're gonna find your vanity area here, a nice large mirror. You're gonna have 3 US plugs for charging. It's a really nice station. You've got a Euro plug as well. You can bring an adapter or converter, so you can utilize that as well. You've got storage around the side here. These open up, and then you're also gonna have your mini fridge tucked underneath, your ottoman where you can sit and get ready with the vanity, and then right underneath here, you're gonna find your hairdryer. So now we're out on your private veranda. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place to take advantage of a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail in the evening, have those incredible ocean views, and have a nice breath of fresh air. Now this is your personal space. You can come out here, read a book, and relax. It's the reason why you upgrade to a balcony. Now keep in mind, if you want to see the club class balcony suites or all the different haven rooms and suites, we have those as well on the channel. Now when you're ready to book this balcony room or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with them, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.